Hey, D.
What up?
Hi, Delilah.
You know what this, y'all?
Yes. Yes. Hi again.
Hi.
How's it going?
Doing great. We're about to make some
Alright. Some wieners. Some wieners.
T-bone steak. Just putting the foil down. How's it feel, T-bone steak?
You blind from the smoke?
T-bone.
I'm in my natural habitat.
Hold on, let me document this part.
How's it going, D? How's it going?
It's hot. You see me, I'm burning my hands. Oh, yeah.
Oh no, you need gloves on. Oh shit. You get them setting up. Hi, Kendall. How's it going, girl? You're going on YouTube? The tube. Hi, Nyla. Hi, girl. She like, what you recording me for? Oh, I'm glad I ain't step on that. Hold on. Hi, Rob. How's it going? You all right? You know you're going on YouTube, okay? Say cheese. He like, no. Hi, August. Hi. Say wave to the camera. He's smiling.
Got a pump, right?
Speak to the camera. What we doing today? Of course. We got Delilah chefing it up.
Dang, I hope that don't roll.
We got the Wiener Deluxe.
Just move it. Like that.
It's not open over here.
That's why I got holes in it so the air can go through it. All right.
Oh, don't do my direction.
Yo. Trying to catch us on fire. Like,
You gonna get your jewelry on?
My ankle.
Delilah, what is it supposed
If
to
it ain't
say?
moving, I ain't chewing.
If it ain't moving.
I got that from Ash. If it ain't moving, I ain't chewing.
Stop it.
After you do this, watch you do it over time.
Okay,
You
we
can
figured
wait,
out.
when
We
you
figured
want.
out the lighter situation.
Yeah.
Like, straight, like.
We got wood fire. Feel me? Recording.
No, he really didn't get away, though. He had to cut.
He hiding.
Look at Nyla. She like, what the fuck? Nigga golf that bitch.
Isn't this my cooler?
You about to be on YouTube, bro.
Isn't this my cooler?
I don't even remember when he left it. At this point.
He said, hold on, that shit said Rob Chevalier.
Whatever his name was on it, like, wait, this is mine. Oh, snap. Yeah, I think you did it.
do this at home, kids.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit. You know we don't know how to do fires, you feel me?
This is not open.
It's better for it to be on the ground than on that. 'Cause I can catch fire.
Got my boy Rob over there again.
Alright, that's good. Alright, you can do it. Do it, Trevor.
Yeah, we'll go ahead. Yeah, that one. Whatever's left right there, that one thing.
Cook whatever you need to cook. Yeah.
And it's following us.
It's literally like
It's good for you.
we're at a campfire.
D looking at me like, huh? What I'm missing?
Oh, you about to say something?
It's keeping the mosquitoes away though.
Yeah, no, it is.
No, it is.
I'll sniff all this
I don't know.
stuff.
Yo,
The wild thornberries. Yeah, cause yo, you see that joint was squirting. Yeah, the chicken ones were squirting. No homo. No. I'm sorry. Yo, babe. What show he was watching? They kept saying pause.
So I can spray the base and I did.
Yo, babe. What show he was watching? They kept saying pause or no homo. It was Diddy,
Now
right?
kids say no diddy.
Yeah,
no Diddy.
Yeah.
Wait, it was a show we watching?
Man, that nigga deep.
Stop. Why you gotta focus and let them eat? Let them eat.
You think I'm gonna stop eating?
People get paid for
Let me
stuff
tell y'all
like that.
something.
What?
The Abasa on the brioche bun. We're doing something special with this.
One of my guilty pleasures.
What you doing special with it? Putting white sauce in the buffalo?
White sauce, yeah.
I don't know
What you got on
It
it?
enhances the flavor.
I don't know where people get those big fries.
What you got on there?
Oh, no.
Just ketchup and mayonnaise.
Food, and I'm just like, bro, where
They get money, though.
No, that's what I'm saying. People get paid for stuff like that.
Yeah. I'm like, wow, okay. You get paid for something like that?
No, it's not very bad. What? Sugar band. Sugar band, you put it in hot
You say it like that. Wait.
Here.
Wait, why is the fire going on? It's lit right on the
What's up?
There's plenty of space if you want to.
You want to say nothing?
Is it like, so it's chicken, so like, what is that?
You don't want to say
Is that
that?
chicken sausage?
That's chicken sauce.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
That's
I
chicken.
didn't wanna, like,
That's
cross
chicken
contaminate
glizzy.
nobody's-
That's chicken glizzy.
Can you hold this stuff out of
Nigga take about hooks. But that's your shit? Huh?
I ain't do shit.
Oh, it's in the same type of bag. See, that rubber mallet came in handy, yo. We would have been doing that shit with our fucking hands, bro.
You would. I got one in the car.
Nah, I made sure I bring that shit. Like, last time I had to do that shit by hand, I'm like, hell no.
Where's that big one? You want to fry it? You want to cut it in half if you like it? Yeah, the big one.
You want a big one?
Try it. I want the big one. There's another different one. I got it. said, I was like, wait, if I would say his name wrong?
No, you've been saying it correctly.
I was like,
You know me exactly how you need to say it. That means there's no business, no photography.
oh, okay, pass the text. That's not. There you go.
You say it about every dog.
No.
Don't watch me. Don't put on your shirt. Sit down.
You said nah. You changed your mind about Ash. You're like, oh, he a good dog now. Like,
Yeah, because he old. Ash don't be doing nothing. Remember the first time we met Ash? He went
100%.
and he tried to eat me, bro.
I don't get it.
what you don't get?
The very first time I met Ash, he tried to eat me.
Wait, what?
Don't worry about it. Oh, he don't eat me.
Right, you tried to do it.
Off camera. No.
Wait, turn the camera around.
Yeah.
Turn the camera around.
How's that glizzy? Right. Hey, yo, he ripped the glizzy in half.
How that meat taste?
It tastes good. Really?
I hope y'all heard that. It went down his throat. That's OD shit.
Getting the angles?
That nigga like a tree.
Why is he just get the camera off?
Y'all not doing nothing.
Okay, so why? We
Let's
said,
play a
like,
game. I
let's
saw
make-
in my
let's make
little
music.
eye something red.
That cap?
I'm making music.
Yeah.
You said I wasn't doing nothing.
Oh.
It's leaves.
Nigga, who the fuck?
I know. That's why I would have won.
I would have said a chair. That chair burgundy though.
We don't have a light. It's gonna get ruined.
Mm-hmm.
What?
The light is me.
Of course.
You know that moment when you look where it came from?
Who the hell no?
More?
I caught that okay.
I'm just here. Bye. I'm fucking my tongue. My tongue. Wait, who is?
Alright, I'm about to go get on the floaty out there. It's probably cold. I don't give a shit. Alright, I'm about to get on the floaty. Get over there cooking.
Bro, you're a teammate. Teammate.
I never heard it. Yo, what?
Huh? No, you don't. You for real? Alright.
Damn, I'm supposed to have a beer.
You ain't even got beer.
I know that's what I'm saying. You should have had beer.
Oh, my girl brought one for you.
Yay!
So you should have bring one. I'll bring my blunt. Look, this is Stranger Things. I'm gonna flip it.
I'm not gonna hold you animals.
Why? Cause they spend their time out here.
They ain't gotta worry about nothing. They just be out here. Oh, that's an animal?
Oh fucking no.
Nah, it's probably somebody got a campground over there or something.
What if it's Chewbacca? Chewbacca coming
That
out.
sound crazy.
So how you feeling this? This is your first time in this. How you feel?
I'm calm. I'm cool. I'm collected. A little nervous, but it's okay. You see me holding on mad tight, like.
Yep.
But it's peaceful. I just don't want what happened last time. Last time you was in this when we went camping, it was a snake right in front of you. You couldn't see it though.
Oh yeah.
You was coming back. We was like, no, don't come. It's peaceful though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could take a nap on this.
I did that last time.
I don't know where I wake up at,
But I was on a Jordan Lake side.
Nah, yeah, this is peaceful. This is peaceful. Oh, first of all, you was bugging. We watched that video of you and John.
Yeah. What you think about it? We in the same lake too, but we just in a different area.
Again.
And that shit's still flooded. Me and Jalen went
It's
over
still
there.
flooded?
Mm-hmm. It receded a little bit, but yeah, there's some people up there. I can see a fire. You see it?
Oh, yeah, I see it. It's probably a generator. Sound like. Okay. No Chewbacca. We safe. We safe.
Yep. It felt like we far away, but we not. You already know how deep we is in this. Like how far this middle part go. What?
What's that? I don't know. What is under us? Just blowing bubbles up. You see that?
I don't see nothing.
It stopped. It stopped. It was blowing mad bubbles up.
Oh, that's me and John. When we got in the lake, it was doing that shit too. It was mad bubbles.
Those are snapping turtles. Dang, y'all should have. We all gotta go back to where I went for my birthday in Charlotte.
Mm-hmm.
It's mad nice. It's like this. And we was kayaking, but somebody had a swing rope off the tree, and everybody was like paddling to it, and everybody was just jumping off of it. We gotta go back.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a kayak. Me and John about to I might buy it next week, but me and John's gonna do the whole strip.
I want one.
John,
There was some dude there. He had a husky on it on the flatboard.
Yeah.
He was standing on it and just going, and he was like, and I was like, I'm impressed. And he was like, don't be. She almost drowned us a couple times.
Oh shit!
Stop! How deep is this water?
I don't even know. This shit get deep though. Now we can fight. Now we can fight. Cause you was going ham on me in the text message.
That's your fault. You kept talking about booty.
You stupid.
You kept talking about booty. Like at some point you gotta take a break from being a.
How about I do this? That's for the truth, bro. I'm trying to get that in his
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear August. Happy birthday to you. Whee! What
What you wish for? Oh, really?
I'm about to say everything I'm gonna say. Here, let's say everything. Hold on, I promise.
Yeah,
Go ahead, y'all.
right?
Wait. Delilah's stupid, yo.
So when he said slide to the left, it's like
How you got slide?
slide to the left, right foot left.
Don't slide. Don't slide in the fire.
And then you do what you want, and you can back it up, you back it up.
Yo, she play too fucking much.
Yeah, I'm ready. It's not start yet? No? So you understand it?
Yeah.
Right. I've been walking since I got there.
I know, right?
Oh, that's
Okay.
right. To the
Oh.
left.
Okay. Oh. Okay.